Say, look,
Oh,
Ron,
that's
is
a
that your
good
baby?
picture right there.
Look, Ron, is that Braden's
Say
baby?
hi, Daddy.
And Braden's mommy?
Hi, Daddy.
Looks like he's trying to smile.
Yeah, smile for your daddy.
Kind of looks like you. When he's mad.
Oh, that's
Oh, yeah.
that was so close. Braden, come over here. Okay, let's look at. Is that your baby?
He's been seeing baby crying.
Look, is that
SpongeBob.
Braden?
SpongeBob's on.
He hurt. You want to give him a kiss? Kiss?
Oh.
That's a sweet brother.
That's a sweet baby.
Say it's gonna be okay, Mason. Say okay, Mason. He says, I don't think he knows what to say. Mason Mickle's real?
We're gonna have to push stop because it's not gonna record too, like, get onto Landry online.